okay? You don't do it here. Do it up. Hey! Do it there, do it there. Do it there. Not here, Krishiv. Do it there.
Supplying the DJs with some hot dogs. Thank you, guys.
Woo! Krishiv, wait. Stop this, Krishiv. Stop this, Krishiv. Listen to mommy. Stop, Krishiv. Can you pass that to Gus? Can you give that to Gus? Please? Please, Krishiv. No. Keep it down. Keep it down, Krishiv. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Krishiv, usko mana karo na.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. I just wanted to say that the more tickets you get, the bigger prize you can do at the end. So keep playing the games.
Krishiv, you wanna get wet? Huh? Give that to Krishiv. Give it to her. Come on. Come on. You can get wet. Go, Chris, go. You want go? Go. You can go. Yeah. Krishiv, you do it up. Do it up. Not on mommy. Do it up. Do it up, Krishiv. Yeah, up. Yeah. That way. Yes. Yes. Up. Yeah. Guys, do it up. Guys, do it up. Yeah, let it back. Up. कृषिव ऊपर कर बेटू. Yeah, ऊपर ऊपर. Do it up. Woo, up. ऊपर करो. Yeah, sure. Krishiv, share, baby. You get wet, okay?
I think it's my turn. Wait on me.
Hello, I'm Betty Genuine from the Telegram and Gazette newspaper, and I was taking a picture of the little one with the hose. Is he your child?
Yeah, he's my son.
Is that okay that I took a picture and it might appear in Telegram and Gazette or telegram.com?
Yeah, sure, no
What is
problem.
his name, please?
His name is Krishiv.
How do you spell it?
Krishiv. His last name is Jaiswal. Jayswal.
And that's a V at the end.
Yeah,
And
correct.
how old is he?
He is 3.9.
And what town do you live in?
We live in Shrewsbury.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Like you're having so much fun.
Yeah, thank you. Go, get wet. Go. She's taking turn. Go wet. Go get wet, honey. अर्चना बैठ जाओ ना. सुनो, उसको बैठने बोल दो. Let her sit also. उसको भी बैठने दो.